Hi, all. Welcome to Journey with Samana. And this is yours humbly, Samana. First of all, today there is no fighting, no nothing, no cribbing, nothing. I just want to wish, especially my extended family, friends, and everyone in Mumbai and Maharashtra, a very happy Gudi Parva. I know things are really crazy out there, and I'll be lying if I said कि I'm not worried. I'm literally worried. But I have the confidence कि जैसे हम लोग पहले भी we have come out as survivors, we will again sail through it and we will survive. So phase 2, आप हारोगे, हम लोग जीतेंगे as always. And you know, the whole situation. This is no gyan because I don't think I am anybody to give any gyan to I'm a very microscopic element in this whole universe. But I'll just tell you what I learned in the whole process and scenario. First, the only thing constant is change. So we need to adapt with the changes because change तो होना ही है. Second, live life each moment because one thing, life has become very unpredictable. So किसी से झगड़ा हुआ हो या फिर आप कहीं जा रहे हो, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी गिला शिकवा हो उसको मिटा लो because you never know आपका लास्ट वर्ड आई हेट यू और आई लव यू, ये दोनों में से कौन सा होना चाहिए. आई विल पिक आई लव यू एनी डे. थर्ड, guys, मुझे I genuinely had this space problem thing because I have been living alone for a lot of time, for a very long time. I'm sorry. So when I got locked down outside Bombay, and I was getting irritated. I was not having, the kind of space I needed. Though I am given ample space in my house, I have my own zone, but still, life was not the same. I used to crib about it. And when my Masi fell sick, and this happened twice, it was a near-death situation. So I am really, I am glad I was there. So you can take it in two ways. Either take it positively or negatively. I took it as a positive sign कि जो हुआ है अच्छे के लिए हुआ है and आगे भी जो होगा अच्छे के लिए ही होगा. Because अगर उस टाइम मैं यहाँ नहीं रहती और लॉकडाउन में मैं नहीं अटकती, I don't know what would have happened. Maybe I don't even want to think about it. So yeah, live life every moment. Love your people, love your parents, love your जो भी है आसपास. Spread love and positivity because negativity nobody likes, and there is anyways too much of negativity around. So at least पॉजिटिव फील करो एंड सामने वाले को पॉजिटिविटी देने की कोशिश करो बिकॉज चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम. अगर आप पॉजिटिव रहोगे तो यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक द सामने का पर्सन फील पॉजिटिव एटलीस्ट. Times are tough, so try and help out people. We are very much we have so much, still we crib, but there are generally people who doesn't have anything, and I'm saying this from all my lifetime experience. So try and reach out to people and be grateful of what you have. You are alive. That is the biggest thing. I know people have lost their loved ones, and that pain is too bad. I know it. I have felt it. So this one is dedicated to them. Thanks for being strong, and you're not alone. The whole universe is with you. अब से miracle कुछ भी होगा, but you will be reached out. And if you're watching this video tomorrow, so yes, you have stayed strong for so long. go that way. Uh, Life tends to, I know nobody can replace जिनको आप खो चुके हो. That feeling haunts you, but still, life goes on and you will be fine. Trust me, you will be fine. And lastly, क्या बोलूं, किसी से गिला शिकवा मत रखो. लिव एंड लेट लिव. अपनी लाइफ जियो और दूसरों को जीने दो. किसी को परेशान मत करो. अपने प्रॉब्लम के साथ किसी के प्रॉब्लम को कंपेयर मत करो, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो उनकी लाइफ को जब तक यू आर इन देयर शूज. सो काइंडली, आई मीन, it's not advice, but it is nice. At times you just need someone to listen to you and not really say anything, not to give you ways to get through it, but just to listen. That helps a lot. So yeah, and be grateful. And if you are watching this video, you are alive, and that's the biggest gift. Mother Nature गुस्सा हुई है because we have tortured her a lot and she is revolting, but end of the day she is mother, so she'll forgive us. ये warning दे दिया, but she'll forgive us and we'll be fine. So yeah, again wishing you all a very 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 happy Gudi Parva, Vaisakhi, Ranjan, Ramzan. I'll be signing off. Thanks for watching me. अगर आपको मेरी बातें कुछ and one more thing, please keep sipping your water. It's summers and it's really crazy, you tend to get dehydrated, so keep hydrating yourself and please be very careful. Wear your mask, sanitizer हमेशा साथ रखिए. Vaccine, just go for vaccination if possible. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching me in Journey with Samana. If you at all like anything whatsoever I said, please, thank you so much in advance, and please subscribe to my channel Model Samana Official, YouTube, Instagram Model Samana Official, Facebook page Model Samana Official. I wish you a very very happy new year. Thank you. Signing off.